What's going on, everybody? We are in the Veloster today. Can't tell by the belts. I'm gonna be setting up a little bit of a POV drive on the way to the grocery store. Does this annoy any of you other N owners out there? I feel like it should stay almost fully out or just not have it, because every time it falls, it's starting to scratch up my pillar plastic here. But let's prime the fuel pump, give her a start, cold start. Listen, everybody, put the window down. Valves open, a little bit of a change. I got a GoPro head mount and I got a GoPro chesty. I'm gonna do the head mount on the way home and I'm gonna do the chesty on the way there. When I had my hat on and I did the clip on my hat, it was like filming the headliner and it just didn't work out too good. Way up here, as high as I can get her to go, right in the armpits. Chuck the seatbelt on. Okay, let's get on with our drive. And the video is started. We got a lot of traffic here, a lot of people. Nice day, everyone's out. Oh, a big ass curb's trying to get out of my place here. Freaking pretty annoying. I don't know where a good GoPro angle is gonna be, and I forgot my password on the GoPro app, so unfortunately I can't like live view it or anything, which sucks. So I kind of just gotta guess and then review the footage when I get home. And that's about that. Couple groceries on a Saturday afternoon. Video title's probably going to be something like, is the Veloster N a worthy grocery getter? Well, we're about to test that out today and see if the Veloster is a worthy grocery getter. We are in a 2020 manual. Got the old seats, not the nice new leather and suede buckets, just the old cloth. Older infotainment, but I mean, I can't complain. I'm driving my own Veloster into the grocery store right now. We got a very nice classic car backing up into his garage. Beautiful piece of machinery, Plymouth Roadrunner. Beautiful. Oh, another classic. Hopefully the GoPro's picking that up. We got all the classics out today. Freaking right. It's a beautiful day. Can't wait to bust the Civic out and get it on some nasty drives. Tomorrow, I think we're going to do some wet sanding on the paint job we did. I had a terrible dream. Terrible. It was a nightmare. It wasn't a dream. That we started to wet sand down our paint job and then it started to show metal through and the whole thing was terrible dream.
It's a nightmare.
That is a nightmare. Oh, we just got a little backfire on the Veloster there, which is not very common. Honestly, the DCTs backfire more than the manuals. You really have to be on the manual for it to backfire. Like, even if you're half throttle and get it up to like 6,000 RPM and shift, still doesn't really crackle or burble or anything. You have to be like full wide open throttle, just letting her eat. And I'm really interested in the Kona ends, like really interested in the Kona ends. I think those would be a sweet car to have. You save all the amenities and stuff you like about the Veloster, from the exhaust note to the performance. You actually get a little more horsepower in the Kona, but it is quite a bit heavier, so it's probably still slower than the Veloster. You get the DCT, which is how I wish I would have configured this, even though I love shifting gears. And you get more space with all the excitement, and it falls in the same price category, we can only presume so far, as the Veloster N. I am super residential right now, so that's why I'm not ripping it. Gotta be respectful, boys. Don't shit where you eat. Take it to the back roads, you know what I mean. Anyways, we're rolling up to the grocery store now. So let's see if this thing is indeed a worthy grocery getter. try and get somewhat of a shade parking here. A little bit of shade.
Yeah.
There we go. Hopefully this footage looks good. Gonna get some exhaust burbles going for you guys in the parking lot here. First gear burbles like crazy. Love it. I love it. Fantastic burbles. Little rev for the boys.
Them burbs.
Oh my god, I just love that. That's good stuff right there. Got a little bit of a burble for the boys.